Meaning of insensible.
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 Insensible. The word insensible is used to describe something or someone that lacks consciousness or awareness, or is immune to emotional or moral influences. It can also be used to describe someone who is not capable of feeling physical sensations. For example, a person may be considered insensible if they are in a coma or under anesthesia. In general, being insensible is seen as a negative attribute, as it suggests a lack of empathy or understanding. It can also indicate a lack of sensitivity or perception, which can lead to poor decision-making.